And hayaan natin na ang Lord ang siyang bumago ng ating pag-iisip upang maunawaan din natin yung kalooban niya para sa atin. And right now, let the power of God saturate and renew your mind today. Let's worship. Lord, I come to you. Let my heart be changed, renewed, flowing